Hi guys, today we will be playing with fidget spinners. So we're gonna do some challenges and show some of them. First of all, we got this white one. As you can see, it spins really well. It glows in the dark. That's what I like. Then we have this one. It glows in the dark as well. With this one, and it spins really good. Then we have this red one. It's a little bit weird because it's that, but it spins really good. Then we have this black one. It spins good, not that bad. Then we have this yellow one, and you can see it spins great. And for right now, we're gonna try to do some challenges and let's see what we can do. So the first challenge, we're gonna try to stack them up. So ladies first, so she starts. 3, start. So my turn. Start off with this. Then with this one.
Be careful.
Then with the red one. I'm sorry that happened. So, oh look, and this one is still spinning. So you go.
Okay. Okay, I'm making. Okay.
So now it's my turn. And I'm gonna start off with this one again. Then this one.
Good job.
This one.
Oh, he's gonna beat
And
me.
this one. Come on, come on, come on. No.
Oh my gosh, he's gonna do it. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh, he
And I
failed.
failed.
So it's gonna be my turn. Okay, I'm gonna start with this black one. And then I'm gonna use the red one to put on top. Sorry. I failed.
So, last one for me.
Oh my god, he's making it. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh,
I had to fail on the last one.
oh my god, he was so close.
So now we'll see which one spins for the first. So you're gonna spin these and I spin these. Ready, set, go. So then moving on. So as you can see, this yellow one is slowing down. So the one that lasted the longest was the black one. So we're done with the video. So we hope you subscribe and leave a like.